What's up guys, if Black Ops 7 is not launching, keeps crashing, freezing, or if you're stuck on a black screen, don't worry. I'll show you a few easy fixes you can do right now. Let's get straight into it. First, click on search and type check for updates. Open it, then hit check for updates and let Windows fully update. Outdated system files can stop the game from launching properly. Next, search date and time settings. Make sure set time automatically is turned on. Your time zone is correct, then scroll down and click sync. This step fixes launch and connection issues. Now, update your graphics driver. For me, I have Nvidia. It depends on your GPU. Open the software, go to drivers, and install the latest update. After that, verify your game files. On Steam, right-click Black Ops 7, Properties, Installed Files, and Verify. Once done, launch the game. If it still doesn't work, uninstall Black Ops 7, reinstall it, and that should fix the issue. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.